So today we're using the discriminant. The discriminant is the expression under the radical in the quadratic formula. That means that the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Now, quadratic equations can have two solutions, one solution, or no solutions, right? And in the past, we could see how many solutions a quadratic equation had by graphing it. And the solutions meant the number of times the parabola passed or intersected the x-axis. So we're using the discriminant for the same thing. If we graph y equals x squared minus 6x plus 3, we can see that this has two solutions. The parabola crosses the x-axis in two different places. Now if we use the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, we can see that negative 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3, 36 minus 12 equals 24. When the discriminant is greater than 0, there are two solutions, as we can see here in this graph. If we need to find how many solutions to y equals x squared minus 6x plus 9, we can see that this parabola touches the x-axis at one point only. That means there is one solution. If we use the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, we find negative 6 squared minus 4 times a times c, 36 minus 36 equals 0. When the discriminant is equal to 0, there is one solution. So how many solutions does y equal x squared minus 6x plus 12 have? 0. Now if we use the discriminant here, b squared minus 4ac, we get negative 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 12, 36 minus 48, and that equals negative 12. When the discriminant is less than 0, there are no solutions. And you can see that this parabola does not cross the x-axis at any point. There are no solutions. If we need to find the number of solutions in 3x squared minus 5x equals 1, first we have to write this in standard form. 3x squared minus 5x minus 1 equals 0. Now we can use the discriminant. Okay. b squared minus 4ac means negative 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 1. 25 plus 12, 37. How many solutions? Two solutions. Why?
It's greater than 0.
There are two solutions because the discriminant is greater than 0. Thank you. We need to find the number of solutions. We need to write this in standard form. 3x squared minus 4x minus 7. And we can use the discriminant. b squared minus 4ac. Negative 4 squared minus 4 times a times c. What do we get? 16 plus 84 Will this be a positive or a negative number? Positive number, so how many solutions are there?
2.
So because the discriminant is greater than 0, there are 2 solutions. You need to find how many solutions in x squared equals 2x minus 3. Take x squared to the other side. You have to write it in standard form. Negative x squared plus 2x minus 3. The discriminant x squared minus 4ac, we would say 2 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 3. 4 minus 12 equals negative 8. How many solutions? There are no solutions. So there are no solutions because the discriminant is less than 0.